Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do a very quick review of the May 2016 Lady Raga bag. So I have already opened it because I received it like 2 days ago, but I just did not get the chance to film it up. So this month's theme was like mom, me and me. So this is the bag that they have sent. This is a really pretty bag, and I'm really in love with this bag because this is such a mommy type of bag. Like, you can absolutely give this to your mom. So yeah, I really love the bag. So let's get to the contents part of it. So this month they had sent really interesting products, actually, items. So the first item that they have sent is this beautiful scarf. The scarf is really pretty. This has this, summer kind of, it reminds you of summer. So yeah, and the scarf is very soft. It's like really soft. So this is the first item that I received. The scarf is worth rupees 399 and it's really soft. So the next item that I received is this Maybelline Master Duo by Eye Studio 2-in-1 Glossy Liquid Eyeliner. This eyeliner is pretty unique. Like, I haven't seen something like this before, and the shade is glossy teal. So the worth is rupees 679. Let me just show you what's different about it. It's got two kind of texture. Like, you can use it in two ways. The first is you can use it as a thick eyeliner, and the other way you have to twist the tip, and the other way is to have thin lines. Well, the color is fine. I'm not very happy with the color because it's too light. I think like you have to apply 2-3 coats to have a thicker line. So, yeah, that's the color, but it's teal in color. I already have teal eyeliners in pencil, and like I had said before in my other videos, that I like to have colored eyeliners. So yeah, this is actually an addition to my collection basically. So moving on to the next item that I have received is this cool kajal lip liner from Jordana, bronze, in the shade bronze. So let me just swatch it for you guys. This is also a really pretty shade. I absolutely love this shade as well. Can I show it? Okay, let me just swatch it up. Absolutely love this shade as well because I don't have one in this shade, and it actually looks good when you apply it. So yeah, a big thumbs up to this color as well. Okay, now the jewelry piece that I have received in this month's bag is this gorgeous statement necklace. It's really pretty. I absolutely love this one, and you can actually wear it with any clothing. I mean, it will go with Indian ethnic wear, it will go with saris, it will go with other Indian wear, or it will go with western wear equally. Like I was saying, that it can go with any of the clothings. Like, you can wear it with Indian clothes outfits, or you can wear it with western outfit. So this is a really beautiful piece of jewelry, and I really love this one. So yeah, those were all the items that I received in my May 2016 Lady Raga bag. Now for the surprise gift. The surprise gift this month was really interesting. They had sent this Sally Hansen quick dry fast nail color pen, and we all know that Sally Hansen, like, you don't need an introduction for Sally Hansen. So this pen is really unique. I haven't seen something like this before. So basically they have got this brush over here, and you have to shake the bottle, and then you have to press it over here. The paint comes out, and you have to apply it with this brush. The color of this nail paint is also very nice because it's a neutral shade, and I'm into this kind of neutral shades. So yeah, this is so me type of color. So the shade is Sand Shimmer, and it's a very nude color, and I actually like these kind of nude colors. So yeah, so yeah, that's my surprise gift. The surprise gift this month is really surprising. Like, you know, Lady Gaga never fails to amaze me, and especially with the surprise gifts every month, they have such unique items and ideas regarding them. So yeah, that's all I had to share with you guys. That's what I received in my May 2016 Lady Gaga. So this is the bag, and I'm definitely giving this bag to my mom, and I have also decided to give the scarf to my mom because I'm pretty sure she will love this scarf. So yeah, that's all I had to share with you guys, and if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and my giveaway is still on, and I'll be adding a few more items to my, that I said in my previous video, but I could not upload the you know, updated video. So I'll probably film it by today and I'll upload it by tomorrow. So yeah, please stay tuned, please participate in my giveaway, help me reach 500 subscribers, and let me know what you liked about this month's Lady Gaga, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.